What's up? By the way, Scott Martin is a brilliant musician, as is Jay Bird, but he teaches music lessons, all instruments. Scott, if people want lessons, let's give out your number and how you can benefit some of these young musicians here.
So I've been teaching for about the last 10 years, since I got out of college. It's a lot of fun. It really motivates people to do well, especially young people to do well in all aspects of life, honestly. It teaches you discipline, it teaches you, just a way to express yourself. It can benefit everybody in a myriad of different ways. And I'd be more than happy to teach anybody who wants to get in touch with me. You can give me a call, 516-849-1954.
Okay. Let's give it up. And now, what are you guys going to play, you and Jay Bird?
We are going to play Day Tripper by the Beatles.
All right, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Yeah.
Taking the easy way out. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out now. She was a day tripper, one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out. I found out. She's a big teaser. She took me out the way there. And she's a big teaser. And she took me out the way there now. She was a day tripper, one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out. I found out. Tried to please her, but she only plays one night stand. I tried to please her, but she only